Hello guys, how are you all and welcome to my channel Techy. And in this video I will continue this playlist HTML tutorials by Techy. And if you have not yet accessed this playlist, then the link is given over here. See, this is this videos link, the first videos, and this is the playlist link. Okay, and this is the channel link and GitHub link that I will say later. I've already discussed in the previous video what is GitHub, and if you have not yet seen this video and if you are new to HTML, then please see this video, as this is a very important topic. And means this video is based on a very important topic, that is what is HTML and how to create your first website or your first program in HTML. If you don't see this video, then you will not understand HTML, and neither will you be able to understand this video or the coming videos. Okay, or the upcoming videos you will not be able to understand. So please see this video, and the source code of this video I have already put in GitHub. Means whatever code I wrote over here, whatever definitions you required, all I put in GitHub like this. If I open GitHub, see here index.html, these all I created, these all I explained in the previous video with much details. Okay, if you have not seen yet the video, please see it. Then hypertext, what is the definition of hypertext is over there, hypertext.txt, then markup.txt. okay, you just need to open the link, you just need to click on this GitHub link, then everything will be okay. Or if you are on a mobile device like this, it will come view code, and then click on the file name like this. Okay, and this will open. Okay, or if you are in desktop, then directly will come, or if you are in mobile, then view code will come. Okay, so this video is based upon Visual Studio Code. Okay, completely it is based upon Visual Studio Code, because if you notice in the previous video I used Notepad. Don't go for any fun. So basically I am sharing you can see the screen that Notepad is opened over here. You can see that, but Notepad is a very boring stuff, right? It is not much colorful, it is plain white, it does not provide much facilities, though it is the text editor for every programmer. For means first time every programmer use Notepad, because it is very simple to use and it is already pre-installed in our devices, and it is not much heavy also by RAM or memory or by battery consumption. It is not much heavy. So every developer, means those who have just started, they prefer Notepad for their first programming. But gradually when they learn coding, they don't like Notepad, they search for some other text editor. So Visual Studio Code is also a type of text editor, not text editor actually, it is an IDE, means integrated development environment. Means you can create websites in Visual Studio Code. Means you need to code, but there will be much fun in coding. You can manage many files in Visual Studio Code. Many things can be done in Visual Studio Code, which we will see in this video. Okay, so this Visual Studio Code, let us see after downloading what it is. To download that, you need to go to any search engine, then type Visual Studio Code, download. This is one way, enter, then open this link, or just go to code.visualstudio.com/download. okay, these are two ways, but this is the more faster way, because if you can remember the URL, this URL which I am underlining, code.visualstudio.com/download. If you can remember this URL, then it's a faster process, but if you can't remember, then go to any search engine and type Visual Studio Code, it will come. Okay, then download according to your operating system, like this. Windows is there, Linux is there, Mac is there. So if you directly click on here, it will be downloaded. But let us understand what is 32-bit and what is 64-bit. okay, in Windows. So for that, you need to go to this PC, you need to search over here. Okay, then over you can see something properties written. Wait, it went this PC then property. Okay, look very properly. This PC then properties is there. If you directly click on it, then automatically get downloaded for 64-bit or 32-bit. It will be automatically downloaded. But still there is no harm in knowing, so let us know what is that. See, here it is written 64-bit operating system. So basically it's a type of operating system. Okay, this 64-bit, 32-bit is a type of operating systems. So my one is 64-bit. You can check your one. I showed you the process. Then go to this PC. Okay, then don't click open. Okay, click on properties. Now this PC, then properties open, then this system type. Here you will get 64-bit operating system. Okay, so I'm closing this. Then you can click on 64-bit or 30, or you can directly click on this Windows. After some time it will start downloading. So as I've already downloaded, I'm cancelling it. Cancelled. Now what you need to do is go to File Explorer. Okay, you just need to go to File Explorer. How to go to File? Just type over here File Explorer. If you don't know, or if you know, then it's good. File Explorer. Okay, open. So in this folder, okay, downloads. After downloading, as I've already downloaded, so I've cancelled. But if you are using Visual Studio Code for the first time, you need to download it. Okay, so after downloading, so go to downloads like this. See, the file will be there like this. VS Code setup, this file. See the name properly. I am zooming. Okay, I have zoomed this file. Okay, this file will be there in the downloads. Now double click that file. It will open. It will ask for your permission. Okay, yes or no. If you are opening this file for the first time, as I've already opened it for many times, as means for one time I've already opened this file to download Visual Studio Code, so it has not asked from me any permission. Okay, so if you are installing this for the first time, then it will ask you for permission. Okay, do you want this application to make changes to your PC? Like this, something will come. You need to click on yes. Okay, because this Visual Studio Code won't harm anything of your PC. It's a very secured app by Microsoft. So let's click on I accept the agreement. You can read this agreement. Nothing much important is there, just about license. Next, then you need to choose your location. Okay, this location you need to choose. Like suppose here some this location is given, this NAC P and this all is given. You need to select that, but I will install in my E drive because I don't have much space in C drive. So I am going to install in my E drive. You need to check your space, then install according to your desired location. Okay, your desired folder or drive, it's your wish. So I have given in the E drive. You can give according to your wish. The next, Visual Studio Code, yes, this only. Next, create a desktop icon. It is your wish. Like this Google Chrome has a desktop icon, this Edge has a desktop icon, then recycle bin. So these all are desktop icons, so it's your wish. Let this to be tick mark, and this you can tick mark. Okay, we will understand this later. Okay, this two you tick mark, we will understand that later, why I said these two to be tick marked. While after understanding we will see. Means after downloading we will understand why I said you to tick mark these all. Okay, so now click on next, then install. Okay, so it will take some, not much time, it will take some time to install. Okay, so till then I am pausing the video. Okay, so as you can see, Visual Studio Code is installed. Okay, I untick marking this means it will means after directly click on finish, Visual Studio Code will open. So I don't want this. I want to see how to find it out. Okay, how to open Visual Studio Code by searching and all. You know how to search that. If you type over here simply Visual Studio Code, see it came open like this. It came like this. You can open. Okay, so finish. I'm not tick marking that. I will open directly from here. Okay, Visual Studio Code, see came, then open. So it will open. Okay, so it's opening. So as you can see, Visual Studio Code is open, fresh new window. Okay, so you can cancel this file. Now there are many actions. Okay, see new file, new window, then open file, open folder, many options are there. New file, you can create any new file, then save it. The new window, you can open another new window, means you can work on two windows. Then you can open any file, you can open any folder, then access all the files in that folder. But in Notepad you can use only a single file at a time, but here you can open an entire folder and access all the files and folders within that. Okay, you can, then there's all you can see. Okay, these all will, our first task is to open. Let me close this also, open this. Okay, so there are two ways basically. What you need to do, you need to simply take this folder. First way, wherever your folder is located, suppose it's not located in a desktop, suppose you want to, it's located in a desktop, but suppose I am transferring this to documents. Okay, so this folder is in the documents. Okay, so what to do, you will take this folder like this and then leave it over here. It will automatically open. Okay, this is the first step. Yes, I trust the authors. Then another way is that open folder. See, it automatically claim. Then click on the your desired folder in a desired location. It can be anywhere. I'm clicking on this folder, select folder. It will open. Okay, so it opened. So let me close this. So see, this file we created in the first video, index.html. See, all the codes are there, and see how pretty it looks in Visual Studio Code. But if you are installing it for the first time, it will not look as pretty as it is in my case. You need to install some setup like extensions, we say in simple words. And if you don't know what is it, this is the file accessing toolbar. Okay, see, file menu bar, or you can say like this, you can create new file folder over here, means all your files and folders in the directory which are selected will be displayed over here. Okay, now you can simply click on like with this icon which I'm underlining now. With that you can create new file. Okay, see, if I give this extension info.txt, any extension you can give. Okay, see, now I can type over here anything and save it. Okay, then I can delete the file by right clicking on the file, rename it, suppose rename.txt. See, it came, then delete, then deleted, and these changes will automatically reflect in a file explorer. Okay, in the folder it will be automatically reflected. Okay, so this was the file that we created last day, and now we can create new folder also, anything like another this. Then you can create new file in this folder, hi.txt, then type anything, this, save it. Okay, see, another folder is created. Let me delete this folder. Okay, so first thing that you need to install is, not install, I should say, see, look at the theme, right? So to look at the theme, what you need to do, go to view, then command palette. Okay, then see, it is, you need to have a color theme. See, if it is automatically coming. If it does not come, you type like this, something will come like this. Okay, color theme, then you can prefer your, see, it is automatically coming, the color light visual studio code. Okay, you can check one by one. Okay, like this it will change. This light theme is for if you are, suppose you are in a place where very high power light is there. Suppose you are in the daytime, you are outside, on a sunny day you are outside, or in daytime you are outside. So that time you can use a light theme, because that time you will need much brightness. But if you are using this theme inside your house or inside in a little dark place, then it will be glary for the eyes and it may damage your eyes. So better use the dark themes. Okay, not this light themes. But if you are outside, means outside the house in the daytime, you can use these themes. Okay, these light themes are only preferable over there, because these dark themes you may not see properly in these dark themes. Okay, see, this abyss, this theme, one theme is there, then dark visual studio code is there, then dark plus default dark, means same only, then kimby dark, then monokai. So you can check like these themes. Okay, red, solarized dark, tomorrow night blue, then high contrast, and these are the install additional color theme. If you enter, click on and hit and enter like this, many other things will come. See, one theme is there, you can click on install, then it will come. You can check for the theme over here, see how it will look. It will look like this. Then atom one, these all themes, you can look over here how the code will look like this. See, it will look like that. So you can, according to your will, you can install. But for me, this theme, this dark, default dark, this is only okay for me. So I will be using this theme only. And then font family, the main question, this is not font family that we use in system. Like, see, this, whether this font and this font is not same, these both font styles are different. So how did I achieve this? What you need to do, you need to go to settings, then go to, means how to go to this settings icon, you will go, then click on this settings, then type over here font family. Okay, font family, like this. Okay, automatically it will come. See, I am using this Fira code, Courier new monospace. How can you detect, and you can put any, like, how can you detect that this, whether any font family is installed in your device or not? If you want to use that font family, you just need to go to this home screen. Okay, right click on the home screen, then click on personalize. Okay, see what I did, I right clicked on the home screen, then clicked on personalize. Okay, then it will open settings, then go to fonts tab, you go all the installed font families in a device. See, it came. See, you can pick up any font family from here. Okay, you can pick up any font family. Suppose I will pick up now, I shall pick up this family, not, yes, Cooper. Okay, see the spelling properly, Cooper. Okay, I am removing this and typing over here Cooper. Now the change has automatically reflected, the code become. But this family is not little nice. I am taking another, suppose what to take, suppose this I am taking Gills, and not, this will also not be much nice. Suppose this Lucida console. Okay, Lucida console I am taking Lucida console. I am clicking on enter. Okay, automatically change will reflected. See, it becomes like this code. Okay, So like this you can change your font family. Okay, but for me that Fira code, that is only good, and not, it is not compulsory that you need to install. You can use only one family only at a time. You can use many family together, like I am using now. See, what was the font family name? Lucida, what I forgot. Lucida console, yes. Lucida console. And I want to use that mono space, means one space, not much space. Okay, it will not contain much space, it will contain mono space. See, it became, means before it was little bit like this, like means much gap was there, but now it became, means little sticky. So this is Lucida console. This little space, mono space, it will contain only one space, means very sticky it will be. Then you can also use courier new. Okay, means together now these all are basically font family name. Okay, courier new, I think this was the correct name. Yes, see, changed. See, it become little bit different. Okay, now if I told that I use Fira code, and this is already installed on my device. Fira code. Okay, CF Fira code, it was already installed in my device. See, simple Fira code will be looking like this. Okay, Fira code, enter. Fira code may not be installed on your device. Okay, simple for Fira code is like this. Now if I use courier, wait, yes, courier, if I remove this mono space, see, it became, means much difference is not seen. Okay, if you add courier new, much difference is not seen, but if you add mono space, it will become little bit sticky. Okay, so this was the font family properties. This all I showed font family in Visual Studio Code. So this Fira code you can install by simply typing on Google Fira code download. It will be installed. Means if you need to download, then follow the steps. You can follow the steps because that are very easy steps how to install them, how to install the font family. Okay, so now let me do one. I will tell you one extension, that is live server. Now you may be thinking, what is live server? Let me show. Live server, this extension. Okay, as I've already installed it, so it's coming to me uninstall and disable. But if you have not installed it or you are using Visual Studio Code for the first time, then it will come to you install. You just need to click on that install, then it will take some time, and after some time it will be installed. Then in every file you will, if you notice, you can right click over here, see open with live server, or you can right click in the file name. Here it will not come. If you right click in the body of the file, like this, right click, open with live server. Okay, or you can look at one thing like this, in the down something is written go live. Okay, so if you click on this go live, it will automatically open that directory in that live server. Okay, means in the live server it automatically open the directory. Okay, or the file, you can say, or the HTML file, it will be opened in the live server. And in live server only the HTML file is served. Okay, and other files are also served, but basic file is HTML, and we have not understand also what is CSS, JavaScript. That we will understand after HTML. That also served in live server, but for that, as I said, HTML is the base or skeleton of a web page. These all CSS, JavaScript, these are all the blood, muscles, skin, these all form the outer part, means they are the functional and displaying part of the website, but the skeleton or the base of the website is HTML. So to use means HTML can be used without JavaScript and CSS, but JavaScript and CSS cannot be used without HTML. Okay, that are different programming language. We will see later after completing HTML playlist. So we will now open this file in live server like this. Open with live server. Okay, right click, open with live server, or you can look at down over here, this go live. It will open. I told you that this will open in the browser, your current file, your current HTML file, it will open. So I'm clicking go live. The browser will automatically open. See, it's opening. See, live server is opening. Now we will see what is this live server. See, title came. This all we did in the last video. So suppose I typed over hello worlds. Now I save this file. See, I'm not refreshing the browser, but as soon as I will go in the browser, see, change is reflected. It automatically reloaded. Wait, let me bring in side by side and see. Wait. Okay, let me bring it on this. Yes, I think it's perfect. Yes, it's perfect. So see, I will not reload it. Okay, but it will automatically reload it. Suppose I typed over hello, another, I replace this word. See, it automatically reloaded. Notice over there, here, okay, properly. Notice over here properly. I will type over here S, then save it. Not just directly typing will reload. I need to type and then save it with Control plus S. Okay, I saved this here, automatically reloaded, and hello world came. Okay. So this is the function of live server. Means you don't need to reload the browser after saving it. Okay, it will automatically open in your default browser. It may be Google Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. It will automatically open in your default browser. You don't need to reload after saving the file. So that's why I like Visual Studio Code so much, because it provides us many facilities. See, we have even live server. Okay, then we have many other like this theme, we have font family, and many other facilities are there which we will understand later while coding. You will automatically understand while coding that why many developers prefer Visual Studio Code. Okay, so this was our video, and there is nothing much what we cannot, we will not learn anything new in this video. Means we just understood Visual Studio Code. From the next video we will start coding in Visual Studio Code, and I will start new topics of HTML from the next video. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.